Pull that up, honey.
Yeah,
Muslims, they're here in our country, in our country. Get out of my face, honey. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. You want me to spit on you again? God, you're ugly. No wonder people hate you. Israelis rule.
I know. Except you apologize.
I have friends that are Muslims.
Yeah, we've addressed that. All right, we'll do it.
I mean, Muslims.
Oh my God. Yes.
Go ahead. Here we go. Oh, I love your garb. You look like a
Yeah? Oh, look at that, son. That's a
Good for you.
yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Good for you.
Keep going. Keep going. Excuse me, keep your distance.
Pull that up. Pull that up, honey.
Yeah, pull.
God,
No, pull
ugly
the cups,
women.
the cups on the phone.
Muslims, they're here in our
that's
country,
right.
in our country.
We're here in your country.
Get the out of my face. Get her out.
I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking get you on the floor.
Listen, this
Move
guy
back.
is threatening me.
Move
This
back.
guy is threatening
Lady,
me.
move
Will
back.
you please Walgreens
Move back.
on 17th Street
I'm
Causeway?
telling you right now, move back.
No,
Step
you,
back, man.
you threaten me.
Step back.
You threaten me. This.
You need to
She's
step
filming
back.
me. She's
You
filming
touched
me.
her?
Get out of my face, honey. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Get out of my
Back,
face.
lady.
Want me to spit on you again?
You need a mask, ma'am.
Want me to spit on you, ugly?
To you, if you
What
do
a
that, I'm
ugly.
gonna fucking
What
hit
a
you.
ugly.
Swear to you, I'm gonna hit
Why
you.
do you
Stop
wear
taking
clothes
dumb
like
bitch.
that? Why
This
do you have
racist
clothes
white
like
trash.
that? This is Walgreens on 17th Street by the bridge.
You don't come in
By
and
the
spit on
bridge.
people. How do you come
And
in
there's
and spit on
Muslims
people?
here
Yeah, they're
that are
scary, yeah.
threatening.
Oh my
Muslims.
Where is he? Yeah.
They told me no just now after talking to you.
Please don't do this.
How about we do that? That doesn't give you an excuse to act the way that you're acting.
Okay.
No, just
Hey,
stop.
they're leaving in 2 days. Take it. You guys can leave. We'll take it.
Every color in this world.
I accept your apology.
I have friends that are Muslims.
Yeah, we've addressed that. All right, we'll deal with it. Come on.